Hey guys, this is Steve from Trim That Weed, and welcome to our video, where we're going to talk about some of the best blender food processor combos. Watch until the end to find out our best recommendation from this list. First on the list is the Hamilton Beach blender and food processor combo. This is a serious buy for those who want all the perks of a long-term blender due to its multifunctional base. It has a 700-watt motor that you can use to crush ice, chip vegetables, and shred your fruits. Blending and pureeing are easy due to its S-blade and ice crusher. And the portion sizes are impressive, a 20-ounce individual blender and a 40-ounce glass jar. Additionally, expect a wave action system that directs its contents towards the blender, which creates more consistent, smooth results, and pulverizes any chunks. Pouring out your blended drink is easy due to its spout design, and spillage is rare at best thanks to the tight seal cap. Ninja BL770 Mega Kitchen System Blender. Everyone who's into blenders knows about Ninja, and the BL770 is among the brand's offerings that promise to save kitchen time. Its package includes 2 to-go cups that allow you to carry drinks and food after blending them, and you don't need to worry about spillage. Both lids are secure. The base motor is 1500 watts, which is about the same as you would expect in a commercial blender. This alone lets you trust its pulverizing and crushing abilities, even in large quantities. And its handy 30-recipe guidebook is an excellent free inclusion for beginners. Oster Pro 1200 BLSTMB CBF000 blender. If you're a frequent blender user, you'll appreciate a machine that gives you all the features you need while remaining affordable. And that's where the Oster Pro 1200 blender comes in. It has a glass jar, which is the hallmark of durability. Thanks to its inclusion of multiple programmed settings, things will become easier for you in the kitchen. And its 50% larger blade size guarantees smoother and faster results. You'll enjoy using its 1200-watt motor, which is powerful enough to slice through fruits and vegetables easily, and the dual direction blade mechanism ensures smart flow blending. Which one is the best? We picked the Ninja BL770 Mega Kitchen Blender as our winner because its powerful motor, 2-cup jug combination, and additional handy features that make it useful for beginners and advanced users alike. Hey, that's all for today. Thanks so much for watching, and let us know which video you'd like to see next from us.